right. Well, today should be a fun one. It's been a while since I've got a new monitor, probably like 4 or 5 years now. Actually, I still have my original gaming monitor from way back when the VG248Q was super popular. It's a 24-inch, 144 hertz. That was back when 144 hertz was new and like nobody had it, and it was like mind-changing. And ever since then, I haven't really upgraded my monitors. I have bumped up to 1440p, and then I got 2 of those, but they're still at like 144 hertz, 165 hertz, which for me has been perfectly fine. But recently, after starting the YouTube channel and working with 4K video files and all that stuff, I really wanted to look into maybe a more color accurate display, something that I could use to edit video and actually watch my 4K content in 4K, which I guess is why I'm making this video today, because I got a new monitor. Oh, I'm gonna knock something over. This is LG 27GN950, probably one of the more popular 4K gaming monitors out there right now by LG Ultra Gear. And as you can see on the side there, it's a 4K panel with 144 hertz, which is amazing. It also has a 1 millisecond response time for an IPS display, which is also amazing. It's got G-Sync and adaptive sync and all that good stuff. And it's HDR 600, so I figured I'd do a little unboxing. Oh God. Whew. I have so much stuff on. I don't have a big enough table, guys. I don't know why I bought a new monitor. I obviously need a new table. I don't have a knife. Oh my. I'll be right back. Stay right there. Okay. So yeah, you didn't go anywhere, right? I was gone and back in like 2 seconds, easy. I didn't have a knife because I lost it, but I have these scissors. So we're gonna cut this, and we're gonna. Ow! Don't play with scissors. I guess you could consider this Unboxed Part 2, or not Part 2, Episode 2. I'm not gonna go super crazy this time, I guess. Maybe I will. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna cut this open. Oh, did I mention it has RGB? Because what doesn't have RGB? I mean, that's the only reason I bought it, honestly. I don't know why you would ever buy a monitor that didn't have RGB. You'd be insane. You know what? Let's get the GoPro. We're gonna shoot some of this on the GoPro. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I grabbed the trusty GoPro this time instead of the Osmo, since the GoPro's new, which you should make sure to subscribe if you want to see a video about the GoPro. I've got a couple things coming up about the GoPro, specifically a review of the GoPro, and also these fancy filters for the GoPro, but that'll be for another day. So anyway, so box is open now. You can see what we've got. I got this really nice accessory box, to be completely honest. I'd have to imagine that this is the stand. Go ahead and open that up. This is the rear plate, or the back part of the stand here. Go ahead and crack this open. I apologize for the poor camera views. I've got what I've got. You know, I've only got one camera, and I don't really have a good way of mounting my X-T4 to like the ceiling right now, so that's why I'm using the action cameras, which will be important in one of my videos coming up soon. We'll be talking about action cameras and how they're important. Pretty normal. It's made out of plastic. It looks nice though. I mean, I'd have that sitting on my desk, I guess. With the accessories box, just some cables and stuff like that, you know, the goodies, the things that you need to get started. You got your USB pass-through, so this monitor does have some USB ports on it, so you can, if your PC is like sitting really far away from your monitors like mine are, or like mine is, then you can use that USB pass-through cable, and then you can plug your mouse and keyboard and other stuff into the monitor, as opposed to trying to run it all the way to your PC. Power brick, you know, normal stuff, normal monitor stuff. Power cable goes to the wall, and display port cable, HDMI cable as well, and then this tiny little clip that's probably very important, so I'll make sure not to lose that, and some instructions or what have you. Not important, not important. Pull out the styrofoam here. There it is. Nice. I have no space, and I'm just out of space. Please help me. All right, I'm gonna try to set this somewhere without hitting the microphone. Oh my God, this thing's heavy. Set that down. So this is a 27-inch display, which is the same size as the displays I've pretty much always had, other than the 24, but man, there it is. Careful with it here. It looks like it's in, but this one corner, oh, never mind. So the stand, the way it works, pretty typical. Goes all the way up and all the way down. It's pretty stiff, but it feels good. It tilts 180 degrees or 90 degrees, I guess. So if you want to use it this way, you can. Now, another thing to note, this does not have a tilt or a pivot feature. It does have tilt, sorry, it doesn't have a pivot. So if you have a monitor if you like monitors that can swivel or pivot on the base, this does not do that. Well, all right. That's gonna do it for the unboxing of the LG 27GN950. Thank you for checking it out, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, weekend, whatever it is, whenever I decide to post this video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye. All right, before I actually go, so I've got myself in myself, like over and over and over and over and over again. Oh my gosh, dude. Wow, I look so good in 4K. Wow. Oh, wow. I look so good. Dude, I can just sit here and stare at myself all day, I think. Ready? Do it again. Ready? Wow.